Today, we're going to learn how to calibrate a Crowcon gas detector. It's essential to follow manufacturer's guidelines for proper calibration. The recommended calibration frequency is every 6 months. However, this can vary based on several factors: specific model requirements, the operating environment, industry standards, and previous calibration history. Different models of Crowcon gas detectors may have unique calibration requirements. Consult the user manual for specific instructions. The operating environment can significantly affect the calibration frequency. Environments with high contaminants or extreme conditions may require more frequent calibration. Always make sure to adhere to industry-specific standards and regulations regarding calibration frequency for gas detectors. Calibration history can give insights into past performances and may indicate the need for adjustment in calibration frequency. Calibration should always be conducted by trained personnel using proper calibration gas and equipment. Following these guidelines ensures accurate and reliable operation of your Crowcon gas detector.